Hi everyone, this is Blake Anderson, a videographer here in Toronto, Ontario. In this video, I'm going to just show you how I use the Zoom F3 when I'm recording videos on my computer particularly. And so as you see here, I have the Zoom F3, which I'm currently using as the microphone. And what I've done is I've connected my S Mic 2. So this is the Deity S Mic 2. And what this shotgun mic allows me to do is record directly on my Zoom F3 and then input that into my computer on my MacBook using a USB-C 3 connection that you have to ensure is a fast enough connection for the computer to record the audio and power the device. And the way that you go about adding the Zoom F3 is first, I guess I want to explain how you set it up on your Zoom F3. So how do you actually start the recording? Then also on your MacBook, what type of software is best for recording audio? Of course, MacBooks have many options for you to record audio, but what I use is the app called Audio Hijack. Audio Hijack is a great app that allows you to create different workflows and tailor your different audio sources. You can also adjust the audio as you record, but typically I'm just using it for a very simple setup. So what I'm doing is I'm recording my Mac audio just from my MacBook, so the microphone on my MacBook, and then I'm also recording the Zoom F3 in terms of two different types of recording. So one is a higher Apple, their uncompressed file, and another one is my MP3 file that I create using the Zoom F3. And I've been leaning towards just using the MP3 file as it typically does the job for giving a good high quality recording. So that's what I'm using. I'm using it's called Audio Hijack, and there's more advanced ways to use this software. But what I'm doing is just doing a simple recording of my Zoom F3 using this shotgun mic, this Deity S Mic 2, and then I'm recording it onto my computer using Audio Hijack. And then I'm typically dropping and matching the audio in post in terms of the video. And in terms of setting it up on my Zoom F3, the way you do that is you would connect the shotgun mic, and obviously here I just have it as just directly into the device. You can also record it using obviously a cord connected to the shotgun mic. And yeah, so that's what the Zoom F3 allows you to do, is allows you to record using your shotgun mic onto your MacBook. You go into the menu system, click down 4 times, and then click on your input connection. You can select between PC and Mac, and so if you do the first selection, at least on the MacBook, that allows your MacBook to record and recognize the device as an input device. So you basically want to set up the Zoom F3 so that it's recognized by your MacBook as an input device. And that's how you do it, is basically you just select that as a feature. Then your Audio Hijack will recognize Zoom F3. In terms of my workflow, again, I have it set up as 2 input devices. So one is my MacBook audio, and the other one is my input device from my Zoom F3. And then I'm splitting the recording into a high, uncompressed file, and then also an MP3. That's a high quality MP3. And my backup audio is my MacBook. This workflow allows me to have a higher quality shotgun mic recording when I'm shooting my videos. You could record just directly on the Zoom F3 device itself, and that's definitely an option. But I find that if I'm able to input the audio directly into my MacBook from the Zoom F3 and using the ability to connect to a shotgun mic, this is my preferred workflow. You could do more advanced options in terms of creating different limiters, and you basically could customize the way in which the audio is sounding once it's recording. But typically what I want to do is just get a clean feed using the already Zoom F3's 32-bit float audio recording. and then in post doing some of that editing. But if, let's say, you're doing a podcast or you're going live with this, maybe you want to add different types of limiters and different types of features to make your sound even better in terms of the audio quality. So that's just me walking through the Zoom F3 recording on device onto your MacBook and using Audio Hijack as my preferred method to capture high quality audio. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.